Time isn't a straight line, and today, I've stepped into something unbelievable. Welcome to Time Traveler Logs.
This is unbelievable. I'm standing here watching an entire civilization carve a fortress out of a single rock. The scale of this engineering is beyond anything I've ever seen. Look at these elephants. They're moving stones like living machines. This level of coordination is pure genius. The symmetry, the planning, this isn't just construction, it's mathematics in motion. Whoever designed this understood balance deeply.
I'm climbing this incredible structure while it's still being built up. This is both terrifying and exhilarating. The view is absolutely extraordinary.
Even at night, the work never stops. The glow of these fires and the determination here, it's something truly powerful.